girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Just hit my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't move finesse.
Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit with cars. Get my coin and swipe that bitch, and now the spirit to charge. Making music, being on bitches, I be really much. I got hands for a hoe, I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga. No, I keep saying free love folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down. Soon as I land on them folks. Don't follow the rules, I'm broke. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like cat. You a bum ass bitch, you wet. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm pet. Lying in the bitch up, I'm red. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds certain, and all these members certain too. Smiling in my nigga, ho, knock out all your 30 tongue. C8 doors, open up for me. Hear the engine roar, sweet sport. I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Megalook hair, and today I'm reviewing this gorgeous unit, you guys. Hands down, before I even say anything else, this has to be one of my favorite units that I received. That's like one of those pre-styled units, those pre-everything units where everything is literally ready to go. When they sent me a picture of this unit, I instantly said yes, I wanted to review it, but I had no idea that it was going to be this beautiful. Like, I didn't have any idea that the curls would look this good. Now, when I first unboxed it, I'm not gonna hold you, it was giving me, you remember Snoop, when Snoop Dogg was in Baby Boy? Remember Snoop Dogg and Baby Boy when he had the curls? Like, that's what it was giving when he was jumping down when he was walking down the stairs and his curls was bouncing. Like, it definitely gave that to me. It gave the Snoop Dogg pressing curl. But then when I like unraveled these curls, man, it was just like, I wasn't expecting that. So even now, like, as you uncurl it, it just gets better and better, and it's so full and curly. And believe it or not, you guys, this is actually a 26-inch, and it doesn't look like that because of the curls that they installed on here. And this color is like a jet black color, so I like that. But I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'll take like maybe one of these curls from the back because I don't want to do it too much. But yeah, you guys see like how long this actually is. Like, if I pull it down, my belly button is here, it goes all the way down here. So even though it looks really short, it's actually really long. Like, it's super long. So, and look how that curl just bounces right back. I don't know how they curled this unit, but I need to know because I want to do this on my own time. Like, I need to know how they did this. I wonder if they did it like maybe with flexi rods or something. I might have to email the company and ask them how they curled this, because this is just so pretty and just like, ugh. Like, I'm gonna bring you guys up close, but y'all know I like to do the wide shot in the beginning of the video just to show y'all how everything looks from afar. But this is just too bomb. So this is a 5x6 closure unit. So you get, I believe, 6 inches of parting space, or it might be 6 inches across. I'm not sure which part is. Yeah, I would say it's like 6 inches across and then maybe 5 inches deep. But you do get a decent amount of parting space on this unit. This unit does come with a pre-cut lace. I did put some concealer in the part as well. As you guys saw, it just helped it look a little bit better. So it kind of gives you the bleach knot effect. And then they did pre-pluck the hairline as well. So that's what that's looking like. And I guess they did bleach the knots, I don't know. But yeah, this is what that is looking like, and it's so seamless. And you guys, this is a completely glueless install. I did not use any product or anything to install this. It's a nice up close look, so I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. None of this is glued down. Okay, you can just slide a comb right up underneath there. And this is just so beautiful, you guys. Like, it almost gives like a 70s kind of vibe, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like if I was going to like a 70s party, I could definitely wear my hair like this. You know what I mean? Some cute little go-go boots or whatever, like a little disco party. But this is just so pretty. Like, look at these curls. And when you get your unit, it's gonna come just like this. Now, how long these curls are gonna last, that's something that we would have to test out. But I definitely feel like this will last you a while. And it's very full. So I would say this is possibly like maybe even 200% density, because when I say this unit is thick, this unit is thick. And the best part about it is whenever you're, you know, done wearing it like in this style, you can go ahead and flat iron it, and it is actually really long, like I showed you guys just a moment ago. So even though it looks like it's really short, it's actually 26 inches long. So I absolutely love this unit, you guys. I have no complaints about it. I do want to talk about the construction of the unit, because I was worried about that, okay? Because you don't get the adjustable straps in the very back, which I was feeling like I needed. But this actually fits me really snug, because sometimes when the straps are not in the very back, like, it can be loose on me, but this one is not loose whatsoever. The only thing that you have for this unit is the adjustable elastic band that hooks up at the top, and it's actually really secure. So I'm surprised by that, because sometimes when I see that in units, like, I'm like, ugh, because I have a smaller head, so a lot of units don't fit on me that good, but this one fits perfectly. Like, absolutely have no complaints with this one. It's just like, girl, look at these curls once again, like this up close, this beautiful jet black color, and look how deep that parting space is. You get a nice deep parting space, and everything just looks so flawless. There's no need to add any baby hairs or anything like that. I mean, if you wanted to, I guess you could, but I feel like something like this just doesn't need baby hairs. Like, you don't need to do that. And this is what it's looking like, and I'm absolutely loving, and I'm just loving this. This is just so pretty to me. And like I said, this is glueless, okay? So you can just like pull it up and pull it right back down. You can put it, you know, as you can put it more forward, you can pull it back, it doesn't even matter. But absolute perfection. Love this unit from Megalook. Megalook is definitely one of my favorite companies. I love working with them because they just always have really good units. Like, some of my favorite units come from Megalook. Like, the ones that I'm like, I don't want to let go, like, I need this in my life like forever. those are the units that typically come from Megalook. Like, they have really good curly hair, straight hair, any type of hair you can think of, whether you want something that is ready to go or you want something that you can customize yourself. They have it all, but their ready to go units are really amazing, and this is one of them that I think a lot of you guys are gonna love, and you guys should definitely check them out. This is something I feel like is a must buy. Normally I don't say that. If you guys watch any of my content, you know I don't really say that, but something like this I feel like is a must have. It's a must purchase, must buy. You need this in your collection. You need to have this one. It's just like so pretty. But yeah, and another thing that I want to point out is the fact that no matter how much like I ran my fingers through these curls, I didn't start having like a bunch of hair shedding everywhere. So I like that about it as well. It's not like shedding all over the place, and it doesn't have any smells to it. It's like, it's just perfect, because sometimes, you know, you'll get a unit like, and it'll just have some kind of weird smell, like either like a factory smell. I've had units that smell fishy or just like some kind of chemical. This doesn't smell like anything, so I love that about it as well. The knots in this unit are like super tiny. You can barely see them. So that's what's gonna give you like more of that natural look in the front. And I love that about it, because, you know, we want our units to look seamless, okay? And I did just add like a little hump in the front, but other than that, I didn't do anything to it. I didn't cut it, I didn't add any layers, I didn't try to curl it again myself. This is literally how the unit comes. So if you are interested in this unit and you wanna check it out for yourself, I will have a link for you guys down below. Shout out to Megalook for sponsoring today's video and sending over my new favorite unit. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.